Houston, we have a problem with the cell phone. That's right. For those of you that just tuned in, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications. I've had a few clients come up to me in a gym setting and say, do you have an exercise that will help my back pain? And that's why I created a whole YouTube series here on helping your back pain. But let's get to the root of the cause of the back pain. This thing right here. So let's think about our body structure. Let's think about years ago, before the cell phone, we carried ourselves differently, didn't we? We had energy that goes to and through us, and it's all around us. Well, then we have this thing right here, and we're kids are growing up with it. Now, instead of being here, we're going here. What is this doing? Well, we have individual brains in our body that communicate, that regulate hormones, sleep cycles, digestive issues, insulin, pancreas, things like this, weight gain, weight loss, thyroid, they all communicate. So if you're here all day long, and you start getting neck pain a little bit, then you move over here because the neck pain got too bad, then you're starting back pain, pretty soon your hips are a little off, and then you're like, oh man, I just can't sleep now, I don't have any energy during the day. Well, guess what? It's because this right here is blocking the flow of energy to your brain, to your thyroid, to your pancreas, and now you have no communication and you're going to get a drug to help you with weight loss. Your body can balance itself. Your body knows when to eat, your body knows when to stop. And if you are eating and you're still gaining weight, there's a problem. If you have no energy, you're eating a balanced diet and you're exercising, you still have no energy, there's a problem. So we need to look at your thoughts for one, your posture alignment, and what are you doing during your day? And what are you consuming during your day? Once we have all those things dialed in, comes the exercise. Let's help your body get out of the stress of the cell phone. Not only for our brain chemistry with the happy ha and the low, oh no, they just said this about me on social media, I'm gonna hide now. And our body gets addicted to this cycle. So this is a very bad thing, especially for young people. So one thing that you can do to help you with your back pain or your neck pain or whatever kind of pain you have is you wanna let this energy go through your body, okay? So one thing that I do is you just wanna open up your chest here and put your shoulders out, and you wanna be breathing. Moving the shoulders up and around to get that energy really flowing. You'll probably say, oh, it's really hard, I can't do that. Well, it took a lot of months for me to be able to do this. And when I started doing it, I realized, oh, I got shoulders, I got biceps. I don't work out with weights. I stretch and I breathe, and that's what I do, and that's what's caused me to have muscles. Okay, so I want to also show you another one if you get really excited and you feel safe and confident in this. And this will really help you. You're going to put your head in between here, and you're going to come up. And now you can just let your body relax and let all the energy flow down through. And you're just going to breathe. Just let it go, let it flow. And this is something I do several times a week, 2 minutes at a time. But once you do this, you're going to feel incredibly different in your day. If you can take a picture of yourself and a video of yourself walking, what you're going to find out is that you're unbalanced. Your feet, pay attention to your feet. So if our ankles get locked, our energy can't come through. And most likely, if your ankles are locked, your hips are locked, which affects your whole spine. So we'll be talking soon in more videos about your feet posture.